You've probably noticed it already. A brief outage, a shelf that stays empty, a price that jumps overnight. These moments aren't random. They're signals. People think preparation comes from fear, but the real danger is waiting. However, waiting only feels safe until choices disappear. You're told systems are stable, yet deliveries slow down, essentials vanish, and costs quietly rise. Although nothing looks dramatic, pressure keeps building. Therefore, disruption won't feel sudden. It will feel heavy. Here's where most people go wrong. If you want calm, don't wait for confirmation. If you want security, don't assume availability. Those who stay ahead prepare while everything still looks normal. Because once shortages are obvious, it's crowded and expensive. On the other hand, early preparation brings relief. And this is where it starts. Not with the biggest item, but the one almost everyone underestimates. Number 15, drinking water. If everything stopped tomorrow, this would be the first thing you'd notice. Not power or the internet, but water. Clean drinking water feels permanent, but it relies on systems that can fail quietly. However, even short disruptions create stress quickly. You can survive weeks without food, yet without water, the body reacts within hours. Therefore, this isn't optional, it's foundational. Many people buy a few bottles and stop, thinking that's enough. In reality, that's hoping. A smarter setup is layered. Bottled water for immediate use, larger containers for longer interruptions, and a simple purification backup. 1 gallon per person per day is a realistic minimum, especially if you cook or take medication. Store water in a cool, dark place and rotate it occasionally. Avoid thin, reused bottles. This isn't fear, it's calm preparation. Once water is secured, thinking clearly about everything else becomes easier. Number 14. Shelf-stable food. When routines break down, this is felt first. Not hunger, but uncertainty. Food isn't just fuel, it's structure when days stop feeling normal. Grocery stores seem reliable, but they depend on constant restocking. However, when deliveries slow or demand spikes, shelves empty fast. You can manage short periods with less food, yet relying only on fresh items creates stress. Therefore, shelf-stable food becomes essential. Many people buy emergency food they never eat. That's not preparation. A smarter approach is familiar food stored intentionally. Canned vegetables and proteins, rice, pasta, oats, items you already use, simply rotated. Check expiration dates, but keep it simple. Use what you store. Replace what you use. Shelf-stable food buys time to avoid panic shopping and rushed decisions. This isn't fear, it's keeping life steady when systems become unreliable. Number 13. Power generator. When the lights go out, people realize too late that silence doesn't mean stability. Power isn't just convenience, it's access, safety, and information. Electricity feels dependable, but it relies on a fragile grid. However, storms or overloads can shut it down without warning. You can manage briefly without power, yet when outages last longer, problems compound. Therefore, backup power becomes essential. Many assume generators are complicated or noisy, and that belief keeps people unprepared. A practical generator doesn't need to run everything. It can power lights, phones, medical devices, and protect food. Portable models are often enough. Store fuel safely, test occasionally, and know what matters most. Backup power gives options to stay informed and calm. This isn't disaster thinking, it's reducing vulnerability. Number 12. Prescription medication. When routines break, this becomes urgent faster than most expect. Medication isn't optional, it's stability and control over your health. Access feels guaranteed, but pharmacies rely on supply chains and timing. However, delays or shortages can interrupt refills without warning. You may manage briefly by stretching doses, yet that creates risk. Therefore, having a buffer matters. Many people assume refills will always be available, and that assumption leaves no margin. A practical approach is simple. Keep a small extra supply when possible. Track expiration dates and store medication properly away from heat and moisture. Include basic over-the-counter essentials like pain relief, fever reducers, and allergy medicine. Medication security brings peace of mind and protects health when access becomes uncertain. Number 11. Emergency heater. When temperatures drop, discomfort turns into risk faster than expected. Heat isn't a luxury, it's safety and rest. Home heating feels reliable, but it depends on power, fuel, and functioning systems. However, outages can leave rooms cold without warning. You can tolerate cold briefly, yet prolonged exposure drains energy. Therefore, backup heat matters. Many assume extra blankets are enough, but that only goes so far. A practical heater doesn't need to warm the whole house, just one safe room. Choose indoor safe models, ventilate properly, and follow instructions. Store fuel correctly and test before you need it. Emergency heat provides comfort and prevents strain when systems pause. Number 10. Self-defense tool. When situations become uncertain, awareness changes first. Safety comes next. Personal protection isn't about confrontation, it's about confidence and distance from harm. Most days feel predictable, but stress and scarcity change behavior. However, help isn't always close when tensions rise. You may never need it, yet knowing you have an option changes how you move. Therefore, preparation becomes psychological as well as physical. Many avoid this topic entirely, and that removes choice. A practical self-defense tool should be legal, familiar, and easy to use. Pepper spray, personal alarms, simple deterrents. Learn how it works and keep it accessible. This isn't about aggression, it's about control. Number 9. Emergency cash. Most people don't notice how much they rely on screens until a payment won't go through. Cash doesn't need permission, but it's treated as outdated. However, when power or networks pause, it becomes instantly relevant again. You may not think about it daily, yet physical money restores control when access disappears. Therefore, it remains a critical backup. The mistake is extremes, either none at all or far too much. A calm setup is enough. Small bills, stored discreetly in more than one place. Emergency cash removes friction and lets you move forward while others wait. Number 8. Hygiene supplies. Comfort doesn't disappear all at once. It fades when small essentials run out. Hygiene feels automatic, but it depends on routine access. However, when pressure hits supply chains, these basics are often limited first. You can handle inconvenience briefly, yet poor hygiene affects health and mindset. Therefore, it matters more than people expect. The mistake isn't ignoring hygiene, it's assuming restocking is always easy. A calm setup stays simple. Soap, paper goods, toothpaste, basic cleaners. Choose long-lasting products, store them dry, and rotate through normal use. When these items are missing, everything feels harder. Number 7. First aid kit. Most problems don't start as emergencies, they start small. Help feels close, but it isn't always immediate. However, delays turn minor issues into bigger ones. You can wait sometimes, yet basic treatment buys time. Therefore, readiness matters. A first aid kit isn't for disasters, it's for normal days that go wrong. Bandages, antiseptic, pain relief, items you know how to use. Check it occasionally and keep it accessible. First aid keeps situations manageable and stress low. Number 6. Emergency radio silence can be more unsettling than bad news. Phones and internet feel constant, but they depend on power and networks. However, when those fail, information becomes harder to reach. You may think you can manage without updates, yet uncertainty increases stress. Therefore, reliable information matters. A simple emergency radio provides local updates and weather alerts when nothing else works. Test it occasionally and store it within reach. Awareness changes how you respond. Number 5. Basic toolkit. Small failures pile up fast. A loose handle, a door that won't close. Help feels one call away. But during disruptions, repairs take longer. However, waiting creates frustration. You don't need to be an expert, yet basic tools restore independence. Screwdrivers, a hammer, pliers, tape, kept in one place. Tools reduce stress and keep momentum when conditions aren't ideal. Number 4, fuel supply fuel supports more than travel. We assume it's always available, but stations rely on deliveries and power. However, access can disappear quickly. You may not drive far, yet fuel powers generators and heaters. Therefore, flexibility depends on it. Keep tanks above half, store approved containers safely, and rotate fuel. A buffer avoids helplessness. Number 3, document. Safe stress rises when important papers can't be found. Documents feel replaceable, but replacement requires time and working systems. However, disruptions slow everything down. IDs, insurance, medical records. Losing them creates immediate problems. A document safe keeps everything centralized and protected. Fire-resistant, water-resistant, updated yearly. Knowing where everything is reduces mental load. Number 2, vehicle emergency gear. Breakdowns happen at the worst moments. Transportation feels reliable, but delays stretch during disruptions. However, response times grow. Vehicle gear, flashlight, jumper cables, tire inflator, blankets, water, turns waiting into managing. Organization matters. Confidence comes from knowing you're not stuck. Number 1, complete survival. Kit. When problems overlap, coordination matters. Individual items help, but searching wastes time. However, consolidation creates speed and clarity. A complete kit brings essentials together: water, food, first aid, hygiene, light, power, tools, communication. Keep it accessible and updated. It doesn't replace planning, it supports it. Being organized changes how uncertainty feels. Preparation isn't about fear or expecting the worst. It's about removing uncertainty before it shows up. You don't prepare to panic. You prepare so you don't have to. Each of these items is a small decision that adds up to calm, control, and peace of mind, no matter what the coming weeks bring. If this video helped you think ahead, consider subscribing. These videos are here to help you stay prepared, informed, and one step ahead. Stay steady, stay ahead, and take care of what matters most.